Hello everyone, I will show you how to use Carbons on Sugargoo. First of all, open it and login, and after you logged in, head over and tap on your username. From here on this option, click on it and scroll down and tap on my Carbons. And from here will show up to you available Carbons and used Carbons and expired Carbons. And if I click on available Carbons, it will show up to me all the Carbons that I can use, as you see. And from here you need to read this carefully from here, as you see. And from here applicable country, all countries, and usage rules, new user exclusive, this amount of orders over 700. And after you read this carefully, now tap on use from here, and you need to make sure you have items in the warehouse on this option, my warehouse, to be able to use these Carbons. And basically that's it. This is how we do it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.